Hello guys, good morning. It is morning and the weather is too cold, and I wanted to have some hot tea to drink, but I don't have a kettle to heat my water or a water heater. But I have two safety pins and a matchstick and a cord that I can use to build a water heater myself at home so that I can take my hot tea. So I would like to build it, but I would like to pause the video first because I'm using the phone to record it and I cannot be building it while recording it. So I will pause the video after I finished, then I will show you how it works. Thank you. Yeah, this is how it will look like after you building it. So I will put it in my water and I will show you the end result of it. I'll pause it and show you later. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know whether you can see what is happening in the water through the video, but now there's some reaction in the water. So in a few minutes you see my water boiling and I'll have my hot tea to drink. I'll pause the video and show you later when the water is boiling. Hello, welcome back. Now you can see my water is now boiling and I can add my tea leaf to it and to have my hot tea for the day. I've made this video just to show you that in times of difficulties, there's an easy way out. You may need a hot water to do something, but you may not have a kettle to boil your water, or you may not have a water heater, but you have a safety pins or blades or any metal that is conductive to electricity, and you have a wiring cord, that is AC cord, and your any sticks. Just make sure that they are clean and brand new because you are going to use the water to drink. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.